Don't forget to subscribe. Dora the Explorer. A great day for soccer. Hi, Boots and I are playing soccer today. We are meeting my cousin Diego at the field. Boots and I will bring the ball. To get there, map says we must walk past the bumpy tree trunk, over the grumpy old troll's bridge, and through the gate. Let's go! Oh no! There are two trails. Which track should we take? Let's look at the tree trunks. Map said to go past the bumpy tree trunk. Come on! Here is the grumpy old troll's bridge. We need to answer his riddle so we can cross. Are you ready? Let's try to solve it. He says,
"You play this game with your feet, not with your hands. Kick the ball and make a goal if you can."
do you know the answer? Right, it's soccer. We made it across the bridge. Look, here's Diego. Now we all need to go through the gate. Oh no, it's locked. Do you see the key? Right, it's in the tree. Diego asks a bird to bring it down to us. Great! Now let's play. Ready? Score!